Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Keedex number K-24-10 hardened cylinder guard ring. This is what the packaging looks like, and I have one removed from the package. And here we go. Here's the unit itself. And inserted are the two cylinder collars, which we'll go over in a moment. The K-24 is a tapered cylinder collar. That's what this means. Cylinder guard ring. The -10 infers satin bronze. This will be available, of course, in all of the common finishes, your brass, your chrome, your dark bronze sort of color. This is going to, I'm going to give you some dimensional properties now. The overall thickness of the cylinder collar or cylinder guard ring, 0.541 inch. 0.541, so almost 9/16. The depth of the recessed area, .366. So from the outer rim down to the shoulder here, 0.366. Then 0.54 minus 0.366, about 3/16 of an inch thickness of the lip. Okay. Overall diameter. Well, you know what? Let me tell you what that is exactly. .54 minus 0.366. 0.175, so 0.175. Important and helpful to know so that you can determine if this will work with the length of the mortise cylinder you have or what you want to achieve and accomplish. You'll have this cylinder ring that's included. The thickness of this looks like it's about 3/16. Let's take a look. 0.154 inch, 0.154. Okay. Then you'll have a wave washer. A wave washer is really just intended to, when you insert it into the cylinder collar, so that when you tighten the mortise cylinder down, you can accomplish an amount of tension between the underside of the mortise cylinder head and the cylinder collar ring so that it doesn't move on the door like this, so that there's basically spring tension preventing it from rattling, but allowing it to still turn. Should you want to put your hands on it and turn it, it will still rotate. Now that's by design. The concept of this cylinder collar being both tapered and to spin works in conjunction to deter a break-in of someone putting a pipe wrench onto the cylinder head and rotating it. The fact that it spins and you can't really get a tool easily on this because it's tapered works towards anti-theft, anti-vandalism, things of that nature. When installed, these free spinning cylinder guard rings prevent would-be burglars or intruders from forcibly unscrewing the lock cylinder with channel locks, vice grips, or other burglary tools, and again is in satin bronze finish. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Keedex products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the product catalog. The summary of Keedex is this. Locksmithing tools, absolutely. Keedex is chock full of that sort of material. Security hardware, like you're going to see in specialty key cylinders like this. The third primary area are weldable gate boxes. If you needed to add a lock to, say, a wrought iron gate, they have the pre-manufactured metal enclosure that will allow you to do that. A fourth area of interest are armored loops. If you needed to transfer power from a wall or a frame to a door, let's say to electrify a piece of hardware like an exit device or an electric strike, Keedex manufactures all of those items, and that's what they're primarily known for. That link to the catalog will allow you to review that material. The bottom line is this: if you think that you might have an occasional need for some security hardware that you'd see on doors, bookmark that Keedex product catalog link, because it's a handy link to be able to refer to, handy resource. Any questions on the Keedex K-24-10 satin bronze, tapered cylinder ring, or any other Keedex product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.